Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea for 3 people. We will walk through each step to ensure you brew a delightful pot every time. First, we will cover the necessary items and precise measurements. Then, we will detail the brewing process, from heating the water to adding the tea. Finally, we will discuss steeping times and how to serve your freshly brewed tea, making your tea-making experience enjoyable and successful for everyone. To begin, gather your essential supplies. For 3 people, a teapot holding at least 40 ounces, or about 1,200 milliliters, is ideal. You will need 3 rounded teaspoons of your favorite loose-leaf tea. Fresh, cold, filtered water is crucial for the best flavor, so have approximately 45 ounces ready. Don't forget 3 teacups, saucers, and spoons for serving, ensuring each guest has their own complete set. Now, let's brew. Start by boiling 45 ounces of fresh, cold water. While the water heats, warm your teapot by rinsing it with a small amount of hot water, then discard it. This helps maintain the tea's temperature. Next, add 3 rounded teaspoons of your chosen loose-leaf tea directly into the warm teapot. Once the water reaches a rolling boil, carefully pour it over the tea leaves, ensuring they are fully submerged for proper infusion. The steeping time is key to flavor. For black tea, steep for 3 to 5 minutes. If you are making green tea, 2 to 3 minutes is usually sufficient to prevent bitterness. Once steeped, carefully pour the tea into each of the 3 prepared teacups. Remember to offer your guests various accompaniments like milk, sugar, or lemon, allowing them to customize their perfect cup. Enjoy your freshly brewed tea with your company.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.